What's up, y'all? Welcome back to Vangler Fishing. Today I am joined by my buddy Chong and his brother Peter. So Peter's up here all the way up from Indiana, so we're hoping that we can give this guy a treat and get him on some smallie action here. So yeah, wish us luck. We'll see if we can make anything happen. Water is super low, but we are excited because low water means that fish should be predictable. So yeah, come along and yeah, find out how we do. Well, with the water being this low, they might not even be here. They might all be kind of looking for those, or they might all be in that deeper area. Oh, no, just lied. I lied. I got one.
You got one?
Yeah. Wow, I hit a rock. That's insane. Come here, buddy. Yeah, I am really on that rock. That's crazy. We're gonna end up turning a little. What's up, buddy? All right, first fish. See you, bud. Is that a fish? There you go. Alright, your drag might be a little too tight now, but hey, Chong's got it. Chong's got it. There you go, Peter, breaking that skunk. Nice. That's the one that jumped. BFS, man. It'd be like that. It's only like a 2-pounder too. That's the funniest part. It's not even that big, but it's BFS. Want me to net him just in case? Make sure he doesn't come off. Pull him back. I got him. Keep fishing, bro. Just keep fishing, Peter. I got you. Oh,
that's a good size.
Oh, my net came undone. Oh, he's not done yet. Nope, he's not done yet. He sees the net. All right, let me put this net back together.
Oh, what happened? The pole came out?
Yeah, I pulled it out too far. That's decent. A little 2-pounder. All right, Chong's fish. There it is. That's the one I saw jumping. Chong, dude, not too far from it. Oh, yeah, really? Yeah. Right as I dropped in. Yep. So there, that one was looking up then. Yeah, I bet you that was the one that jumped. Yep. Well, same thing. Yeah, 2-pounder. Now just imagine catching 100 of those, man. Yeah. It's so fun, dude. That's a 2-pounder. That's a 2-pounder, yeah. All right, Peter. You might have a pike. Yeah. Watch out. Yep. Chong, can you pull the net out? I'm kind of. That's a long fish of some sort. Oh, that might be a big walleye. No, it's a catfish.
Oh, the catfish?
Yeah.
Oh my goodness. Oh, the heck?
Decent catfish, dude.
Oh my goodness! Oh my goodness!
Yeah, that's a giant.
What the heck, bro?
That's the rising part of that same rock bar. So I don't know why they're not sitting on it. Oh, there's one. Yep, that's a good one. That's a good one. That's a good one. Woohoo! Might need a net for this one. Well, as I was just talking about the rock bar, man. Oh yeah. This one, that's not too bad. Probably a high 2, low 3 pounder.
Nice.
On the that's on a micro jig. Three and a half pounder.
Nice.
Sweet.
In the shallows a little bit.
Huh?
In the shallows.
Kind of. There's a rock bar that's like parallel to where we are right now, and that's where I fished them. Yeah. Little one.
That one? Yeah. Oh, back that way?
Little guy. Yeah, I was just following the rocks over there. I thought I was stuck on weeds, and then he started twitching. Little guy. He's like a 14-ounce fish, maybe. Ah! Oh, there he goes. Gave me a little splash. Yeah, he's only like 14 ounces, maybe.
You got one?
Yeah. Bro's fighting like a fish that's 3 times his size. It's not big at all. It's a tiny fish. It's why people love the smallmouth though, man. Thanks, bud. Huh?
Oh, nice.
He bit right in front of the canoe. I was not ready for it. Had no idea. He bit right in front of the canoe though. I was like, what in the world? Wasn't ready for him. There he goes. Easy release. Thank you, bud. Is that a fish? That's a fish. There you go. There you go, Chong. Yeah. I knew it was a fish. I was like, you saw me set that hook, Peter?
Yeah.
I set it twice.
What?
I set that hook twice. Can't remember if I'm recording. Okay. Yeah, I set the hook and I was like, oh, there's nothing there. And then it just started going again. I was like, what? Alrighty. Finally. See you, dude. Yeah, there's some houses actually around here. Yeah. Yep. Yep. Got one finally. What in the world? That looks greenish, almost like a largemouth, but I know it's not. Jeez. Why are you fighting so hard, bro? You're not even that big. Not even that big. Yeah, buddy. Ah, right in my mouth, man. All right.
Almost everything on chatters today.
Yeah, that's sometimes that's the deal, man. I'm telling you that thing is such a fish catcher. All right, see you, bud.
Not a bad size.
Not bad. Nice. Oh, that's a good one, dude. You got him? That one's, I thought it was bigger. I thought it was bigger than that. Under the water, he looks so fat. Nice. Finally. Gosh, as soon as we get to the main river. Yeah. Come here, bud. All right. Thanks, dude. What's up, y'all? Welcome back to part 2 of this episode. I started this episode out on the river with my buddies Chong and Peter. Unfortunately, the river was rough. It did not produce. And so we ended up leaving probably the earliest I've ever left, which was around like 1:20 p.m. And so those guys ended up going home after we got off the river. They have a family and YVs to go back to. But I, being the single guy that I am, decided to come out and try this lake out. I've been to this lake before. This lake, there's not a lot of information on this lake at all. It does have a public access, but the public access is completely overgrown. I had to drag this huge 130-pound canoe over grass and over bushes, and I had to paddle out of a huge lily pad field. As you can see, there's lily pads everywhere. But I got out here. I've done well in the past. I'm you know, an overgrown launch is exactly what I'm looking for, so I'm hoping that I can catch some decent largemouth on this lake here. Come along with me, see if I can make anything happen. Please don't be a pike. Oh, that's a decent bass. Let's go. That's a bass. Ooh, nice little guy. Wow. And pulling drag too. I'm fighting pretty good. Yeah, on the crankbait. Thanks, buddy. Let's grip him. Okay, solid fish. Oh, solid 2-pounder. Thanks, bud. Okay, let's go, crankbait. Bite is on. Oh, that might be a pike though, because that's a lot of head shaking, and he's not coming up. But still, crankbait bite is on. Yeah, that's probably a pike. That's a big bass. That's probably a pike. This lake does have a lot of good pike too, so can't discount that. It's a decent bass. Oh, it's a decent bass. Oh, let's go. That one looks like a 3. Ugh. That dude was head shaking a lot for a bass. A little bit of a skinny stomach, but I will still take it. That's got to be a 3-pounder all day. Double hooked. Gosh, anytime you can come to a fairly low pressure lake and just start smashing fish on crankbait, that's just super fun. Alright, let's see what this guy weighs. Yeah, he might not be a 3 just because he's got the length in the head, but the stomach is really skinny. And only 2.5. Take him though. 2.5 pounder. Thanks, bud. Yeah, let's go. Oh, he spat me out. Jeez, that was a decent one too. Oh man, guys. Oh, another one came for it. No way. This is crazy. Oh my goodness. I should have just took Chong and Peter here. I feel so bad now. Oh my gosh. Oh, that's crazy. That's crazy. Lost one. I don't know if this is the same one. Honestly, the first one that spat me out looked bigger than this one. Oh, but that's crazy. Oh my goodness. That's a decent one too. Oh, yeah. Probably the same size as the other one. It'd be hilarious if it's the same one. It is not the same one. Different, slightly different mouth. Oh, that's fun. That is super fun, guys. Yeah. Thanks, bud. Let's get a weight on this one. Oh, it does. It's a three on the dot, pretty much. Yep, 3 on the dot. 3 on the dot. Sweet. Alright. Thanks, buddy. If I catch a bunch of those guys, that'd be a really good day. Especially because they are smashing the crank. Oh, man. So on. Crankbait is so on. I was worried about not having frogs, but ooh, gosh, it's a decent one. That's a big one. I was worried about not having frogs, guys, but man, I did not need to worry. They are on the outside weed edge. This is crazy. This is crazy. This is a decent one too. This one might be a 4-pounder. Oh, come on, dude. Come up, dude. Took me into some kind of grass, some kind of vegetation. Oh my gosh. Oh gosh. Now he feels heavy because he's got all this vegetation on him. I left my net in my truck. I might have to go get it. These fish, I mean, number one, they don't give up, and number two, like, there might be some big ones here. Oh. Let's go. Let's go. No, don't do that. Don't do that. Don't do that. Stay on, bud. Stay on, bud. He's only got one hook on him. Only got one hook. I gotta play him good. Yeah. Let's go. Okay, that one. It might not be a 4. I think it's just a 3. Oh, the hook came out. Oh my gosh, the hook came right out. And that's why I might just go back and get the net. Or I could just be a man and use my hands, but I do not want to grab treble hooks, guys. Oh my goodness, that's a big fish. That might be a 4 because he's got the eye bulge. 4-pounder. Guys, this is insane. This is insane. Wow. That's only like my 5th fish, and it's already a 4-pounder. Gosh, decent fish. All right, thanks, bud. Oh my goodness, guys, this is insane. This lake is crazy. You know, guys, there's a elephant in the lake, and that is, I'm throwing a crankbait, so how much longer until I get a pike? It's only a matter of time, right? Well, all I know is I am having fun. I haven't gotten on a crankbait since cold weather, really, so this is definitely welcome. Thanks, bud. Okay, position myself. Yeah, let's go. Let's go. Don't jump. Don't jump. Don't jump. I'm gonna check to see if I'm recording. I was definitely recording. This one's another decent one too. This one's another decent one. Oh, this might be another 3. Oh man, dang it! I feel so bad. I should just took Chong and Peter here. I didn't think about this lake until I realized how close it was to where we were just fishing. Oh my goodness, dudes! This is another good one. Oh my goodness. Jeez, come on. Oh, there you go. Oh my goodness. This thing is fat. He's a little short but fat. Holy cow. Let's get this crank off of you, dude. Holy cow. That's a fat fish. They're eating good on this lake. Look at that belly. Holy cow. Yeah, look at that belly. Definitely eating good. Oh my goodness. I don't think this is gonna be a 4. I'm gonna call it probably a 3.5 to 3, maybe a 3.12. He's just a little short. Ah, 3.12. 310, we'll call it 310. Let's see. Let it reweigh. 311, I'll take the extra ounce. Sure, why not? Alright, buddy. Oh, thanks, dude. Oh my gosh. That's crazy. Oh my goodness. Or did I finally get a pike? Oh man, come on. No, even into some grass. Get out of there. That could also just be the reason why it feels a lot bigger than it might really be. We went into some grass. Ah, it's not that big. Oh, it's decent. You know, he might not be my 5th biggest fish of the day, but I don't have 5 on a. I don't have a full bag yet, so I did release a couple of 2-pounders early on in the day. So this guy might only be a 1. I don't even know if he's gonna push 2. He feels like a 2 though. Funny. See you, dude. Try to take the crank right into the weeds every time I hook onto them. Oh, that's a pretty decent one. I thought I'd call that 1-pounder that I for some reason put in my bag. Alright. Ooh, that's a decent one. Couldn't really feel how heavy it was because he initially went into the weeds, but then came right back out. Oh, don't jump towards me. Okay. Oh, he swallowed it. My goodness. Alright. Alright, buddy. Man, guys, these fish really want it. That guy had the crankbait down his throat, man. Had it down his throat. Oh. Yeah, let's go. Oh, that's a decent one. That one is acrobatic, trying to keep it down, but man, he still keeps on pulling me back up to the surface. Yep, you're still hooked, buddy. Stay like that. No, stop jumping. Oh, that's a decent one, guys. Okay. Oh yeah. Another decent one. That one might be another 3 or 4. I think a 3 only, I'd say. Okay. All right. Okay, this guy should call my 2-pound 5-ouncer. Don't think he'll call it by much. Oh, there you go, 3-pounder. Take him. I will take him. All right, thanks, bud. Got him. Oh, it's been a minute. Stay down. Don't come up. What? Nah, this one's not that big. Not big, but it is a fighter. All right. Come here, bud. Nice. All right, see ya, dude. Well, guys, there goes that pike that I was talking about. Well, guys, I hope that they're not really all about that bluegill pattern, because that was my only bluegill pattern crankbait. But hopefully they're willing to take a chartreuse OSP blitz. We'll see. And I went and got my net, guys. Now I have my net too. So you guys who I already know are gonna complain about my fish grips. Now you don't have to complain anymore, because now I got a net. And this is a good one. Oh my goodness, that's a good fish. Get out of the weeds. Come on, come on. Oh, I snagged them all funny too. Whew. All right, 2 possible 3-pounder. Okay, take it. Oh man, fun stuff, fun stuff. All right, bud. Okay. Oh, jeez, dude. Fish got some sharp teeth, man. Ain't gonna lie, that one kind of hurt. Alright, dude. You need to go. Because you're not even gonna call a high 2-pounder. Been a minute. Oh. That's a decent one too. Yeah, it definitely seems like all the better fish are on this side of the lake for some reason. And that always seems to be the case, don't know why. But for some reason, they like this side of the lake. Alright, I don't think he's gonna call my 2, I think it's a 2.5-pounder. I don't think he's gonna call it a 2.5, but let's try it. I think he's gonna be about around that 2.5 range actually. Looks like, yep, about, stop shaking, dude. Beats it by 1 ounce. Funny. Alright, dude. I got you. Oh my gosh. Okay, go. Jeez. Apparently he's good. Where'd it go? All these people on the road get to see me fight a fish. Feels like it's a good one too. Oh my goodness, this guy is fighting. Pike, it's fighting, kind of pikey. Heavy as hug. 2 pounds of fish, 6 pounds of grass, man. Holy cow. These fish, if you don't get them fast enough, they'll take into that grass. Even big. I'll take it. Oh no! Eyeballed him. Might still be okay. Get a weight on this one. That one might beat the 2.5. Come on, please be a 3-pounder. Yeah, it's a 3. What in the world? I'll take it. I'm bogged down, but I'll take it. All right, That is a full bag of threes, people. Holy cow. Like every fish over here is like a 2-3 pounder. Oh my gosh, that's another 2-3 pounder. This is crazy. Oh my gosh. Let's take them out a little. I don't want to get bogged down like I did last time. Yeah. Ugh, clean your watercraft, people. Alright. Get out of there. She's trying to dive into grass. Trying to. He did dive into grass. Right. Oh my goodness. This lake is pretty fun. I know I don't have like a monster bag with a bunch of 4s and 5s, but man, this lake is not very far from the Twin Cities. And I am putting the hammer on them. That's a 2-pounder. So no need to weigh that guy, because I need pretty much 4s and high 3s from here on out. Let's see if I can get to 20. But that is still fun. Oh man. There you go. Oh, it's been a minute, guys. Not bad. Not a big one, but you know, I'll take it. It's a long fish. It's like a long 2-pounder. Alright. See ya, dude. Well, the OSP Blitz EXDR has done a decent job of replacing my Lucky Craft bluegill square bill, but man, it's not producing the same sizes as that one. I don't know if the big ones just stopped biting or if they really were keying in on that bluegill pattern. Next time I come out to this lake, I'm gonna have to bring out more of them. Oh gosh! Oh, is that a fish? That is a fish. Oh my gosh! I thought that I was stuck. Oh my goodness! This fish is heavy. No, it's not that heavy. I think either I hooked him weird or it's because he has some grass on his face. I think I saw some grass on his face. But it's about time to hook a decent fish. Oh, that was not bad. But I'd say it's probably still just like a 2-pounder, if even. Not bad. A bit of a skinnier fish, but not bad. Yeah, I'll take it. Little guy on the Mikey. Yeah. Oh, yikes, dude. Bro. Alright. Thanks for biting top water, bud. did not think I was gonna get a fish there. Well, one thing's for sure. Oof, he came off. The dinkers are like in top water. Oh man, those big ones are avoiding it like the plague. All right, guys, well, that is gonna do it. That's a wrap. It's been a long day, and the bite seems to have slowed down. I tried throwing some bottom contact. I tried doing some jigging through a few bigger baits along the weed edges where I was catching fish on cranks, and just wasn't happening. Obviously the crankbait died too, but it was a weird like 3:30 to 5:30 bite, which you just, I don't know, in my personal experience, you just don't see that too often. So, but that's, you know, we can't control when the bass eat. They eat when they feel like it, and that was the bite window here on this lake. But anyways, thanks for coming along. Chong and Peter, if you guys are watching this, I'm sorry. Next time I'll take you to this lake instead. It's just, I really thought the river was going to be hitting, but the river being shallow and having murky water, I mean, again, that's just a bad combination. If it's shallow and clear, great. Shallow and murky, not so well. Yeah, no, but I did pretty all right. I mean, that was my bag right there, almost 17 pounds, and I am not too far away from home, and so to do 17 pounds and not be too far away from home is pretty nice. Full bag of 3-pounders at least with 1-4. Would have been nice to get a 5-pound kicker, but you know what, I'll take it because it's been a slow day anyways. Thanks for coming along. Stay tuned for the next one. Peace out.